Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a basic tutorial on how you can use keyframes in CapCut. Now, keyframes are a vital part of any video editing software. In CapCut, they're quite easy to use and you can implement them with ease. Now, in this video, I'll show you how you can do that. So as you can see, I have a project opened up. It is a video of a person typing into a laptop. Now, keyframes are available on the top right side of your screen under basic settings. As you can see, there's a keyframe for each one of these aspects, which is scale, which is position, which is rotation. Now you can add a keyframe to any of these. Keyframes are basically timestamps that this software remembers so that anything that is supposed to happen in terms of scale, position or rotation will happen between those keyframes. I'll quickly give you an example of a pan and zoom so that you can utilize the keyframes in the future. Now to do this, click on this add keyframe button beside position and size. Once you do that, you will see that there is a keyframe added over here. Now you can click on the next arrow to go into the next frame and you can scale up and the keyframe is automatically added. Now you can fast forward to the part of the video where you want this zoom effect to stay. After that, once you're happy and you want to go back to the default scaling, you can quickly click on this button, which is to add another keyframe. And once you do that, you can click on the next arrow button to go into the next frame and double click on scale to go into the default scaling, which is 100%. I'll quickly play the video to show you the result. As you can see, we have now scaled using a keyframe and the other keyframe is acting as an endpoint. So I have totally added 4 keyframes, one for each part of the scaling property. You can also add the same for rotation and positioning, so you can zoom in and position the scale to someplace else, and that is basically it. So yeah, hope you guys got a good idea on how you can use keyframes in CapCut, and if you did like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.